Hi everyone, welcome to Staju Boom. Today, let's open a balikbayan box from Japan. Our cat wanna open too. There's keys inside. I asked old clothes to be given to the lesser fortunate. There's a Gatsby face sheet and Java curry spice. And this one is kabikira in Japanese, and in English it's mold killer. This one is a takoyaki sauce, a udon soup sauce, a clutch bag. This one is a cotton, Shiseido cotton swabs, and churu for the cat, churu again for the cat. This one is tuna flakes in can. Next is tempura flour, Nissin tempura flour. The soba tsuyu. Next is Haritsuya Make Otoshi or Makeup Remover. It is a Shiseido Aqua Label with hyaluronic acid, and another Biore Makeup Remover sheets. Then there's a Charmela noodles, instant noodles, and a 1 kilogram of kirimochi, some furikake, Yukari, Umeiri by Mishima and Wakana. Then there's a Next Dent toothpaste, some shampoos and conditioner, and some body wash by Biore. Some dorayaki snacks or cakes, another one dorayaki, a mayonnaise, and coffee creamer. Another makeup remover sheets, some detergent liquid soap, my Anessa sunscreens, and more of the detergent liquid soap, some Febreze air freshener sprays, and whitening face lotions and moisturizing milk, some Renoir beads for the laundry, and there's more. There's body soap and soba. These are Yoshimura Okaki rice crackers, and the box of udon noodles, Dombe udon, some luxurious real fruit jellies, this is a Koro cleaner, cat's fur cleaner, a what is this, jelly, rice flour, right, cognac, plum cognac, a pancake, and what are these? A rum chocolates, rum raisin chocolates, and another sunscreen, and another flour, wheat flour. This one is a box of Mitsuya cider, a 24 bottles of Mitsuya cider. Last but not the least are chocolates, box of chocolates, coffee, biscuits, and what do we have is instant coffee, lemon pack of biscuits, prime biscuits, Ritz biscuits, a Illy coffee, ground coffee, and barley tea, 2 packs of barley tea, Ritz biscuits. Lastly is a bottle of pistachio nuts cream and another bottle of coffee, instant coffee. That's all for this box. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have come this far, please like and subscribe. Thank you.